Today, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful roses with just simple papers. For this, I'm gonna choose 3 different types of paper, a bowl, a scissor, glue, and a pencil. First, take a big sheet of pink paper and start folding it into a small piece. Then, take something circular and draw a circle on the paper. After that, take the scissor and start cutting the paper into small circular shapes. Then, put a glass and fold a circular paper on the edge of the glass. Then take another circle and glue it on top of the first circle as shown in the video. Now, repeat the process over and over. Stop when you made the satisfied size. Now take the yellow paper and make a stick by rolling it. After that, cut a big pink circle and stick it at the bottom of the flower. Take a pencil and make a hole at the bottom, and then attach the stick with the help of glue. Now take the green paper and cut a small piece from it. Take the scissor and cut it round and make 2 leaves from it. Now, glue the leaves to the stick. After finishing, take the glue and start attaching some of the inner circles of the flower so that it could give the beautiful rose flake structure. And now congratulations! You've made a rose from paper. If you like this tutorial, then consider subscribing to my channel. I'm just getting started in making these types of videos. Thank you for watching.